especially that one.
Don't make me get started. I don't even want to get started on that. Good morning, happy Saturday. Look at Uriah. He's drinking his milk, watching cartoons. Who's here, Uriah? Look who's here. It's BJ. Hi, buddy.
Hi.
We missed you. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
Did you ride all the scary rides?
He sure did.
You weren't scared of any rides?
He was scared of them all, but he was super brave.
You were brave and you rode them?
I went on a Ferris wheel.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, first time on a Ferris wheel, he said.
Awesome.
Everybody is cranky, especially that one.
Don't make me get started. I don't even want to get started on that.
Okay, we're trying to leave. Let's go. Put on your shoes. Can you guys guess where we are? We're at Denny's. It is pretty crowded here today. Saturday lunchtime. Pretty crowded. What? This guy was falling asleep in the car.
What does it say?
It's supposed to be breakfast.
The breakfast is over here.
There's the only breakfast one?
Yeah.
You want to look at the menu? Oh my gosh, this kid. Want to look at the menu? What do you want to eat? Pancakes,
Food and main dish. Pick one of these.
bacon, sausage.
Pick one of these.
You want a hamburger? That's a pancake though.
Grapes.
You want a pancake? You want a hamburger?
Do you want a pancake? Look, Uriah, you can choose.
I want a pancake.
You want pancake or burger?
You either choose you can choose that. So you can choose that.
You know, it's so weird. Like, I don't see it on the menu here, but outside they have a super slam for $6.99.
You want?
It's like 2 pancakes, 2 sausage, 2 bacon,
Pint?
and hash browns for $6.99. Cheap. I think that's what I'm gonna get. What does
So you
he?
want
What
just
does?
like this?
What does he want?
He wants a junior grand slam.
But what does that include?
Pancakes, 1 sausage, 1 bacon, 1 egg.
How much is it?
$3.99.
Oh, okay.
I want
Oh, you don't just want sausage?
No, I want that.
You want pancake? It's a cold day today. I don't know if the weather is affecting all of us or what. Ain't nobody happy.
Yeah, we're ready.
Uriah, sit down on your booty. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, our food
You
came.
want hash brown?
This is mine. $6.99, guys. What a deal. I'm gonna give Uriah some of my pancakes. That's what he wanted. We asked for strawberry jam. He was very brave and very polite. He said, "Can I please have strawberry jam?" And then PJ's got his little junior grand slam. Everybody happy? Getting there, getting there. Good job. What a mother likes to see. Babies just feeding themselves. Got my hot sauce, ketchup mixture, just how I like to eat my eggs and hash brown. Good? Good job, PJ. What happened? Is it good? You want more jam?
I want to try it. Well, you got grape jam too, huh?
After lunch, we got a smog check for Power's car, and then we came over to the Americana. We're at the Apple store trying to get Power's old phone looked at. If we can get his old phone's camera fixed. I think I'm gonna take it over because my phone is pretty old. I just have like the old 5S, so it's pretty old and it's pretty small, so I wouldn't mind. I guess using power's old. All right. Hey, the Apple people are wearing red. I guess they're still wearing it for the holiday season. Or is it for Valentine's? I don't know. Boy slept in the car. It was sprinkling a little bit outside, which was not something I was expecting. We're just waiting. They used to have like little kids sections where they could like play and stuff, but they don't have that anymore. It's kind of inconvenient. It's very, very, very crowded. We decided to go ahead and get that camera fixed for a price. Not terribly bad, but still gotta pay. Yeah, we have to pay $60 to get it fixed. So now we're just kind of killing time. There's a Target here at this mall.
Toy section, coffee, and one thing You're right.
Uriah! He went pee-pee in the potty. It's always good. Since he's starting school, preschool on Monday, there's some supplies that we have to actually be bringing too, which I kind of forgot about, so we'll probably pick it up here. Wow. Bombs away.
The water cannon's out.
And the water cannon? Sorry. I think you have to buy it. We have one. We have a little one.
We're taking a break, eating some food. Five Guys. I got a bunless burger here. Bunless burger.
Container.
He asked me, do you want a lettuce wrap or a little bowl? I'm like, oh, I'll have a little bowl. Yummy.
I'm like not even hungry. I'm just tired. We've been here for like over, I don't know, like maybe 3 hours or something. Yummy? Hot? Hot?
Mommy, the thing sauce will cool the hotness down. Dip it every time you eat it, and then it won't be hot.
Boys are pretty fascinated with this piano that's playing by itself. Are you sure there's not an invisible man playing it?
Of course not. That is not even real.
We went to the Americana restrooms right there. Fanciest, nicest restrooms we've been in today.
We didn't know we were going to be in Glendale the whole evening.
Yeah. I think the phone is ready for pickup, so let's just pick it up and head home. Thank the Lord I was able to find these racing games here. Even Uriah can play. Uriah, you gotta move it.
I'm doing good.
You're doing good? I am not surprised if you're doing good.
If you get the bottles, you'll go skiing.
Oh yeah? He did pretty good at video games. It's not bad. Whoa, good job. Hey, keep watching.
We are finally home. Hallelujah. Super tired. It's raining. And I just got my car washed the other day too. Boo. But that's a wrap for today, guys. Thanks for watching. With a thumbs up, subscribe below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.